Here's how to use the rear bottle bag on the EDC Travel Sling. When hydration is not necessary or not required, you can store pullovers, light jackets, and outer layers in the rear bottle bag by simply opening it and stuffing the layer inside the bottle bag, and then closing it shut. If hydration is desired, then you want to make sure that you open the ice cap port at the bottom by pushing it in. This will open up the port like this. The port door will then fold flat against the back side of the bottle bag. Insert a Dasani water bottle that is equipped with an ice cap. Ice caps are specifically designed for Dasani water bottles, like so. Zip the bottle bag shut, and then all you do is route your tube. So as you can see, we've now completed the tube routing installation. So it routes along the bottom of the rear bottle bag, out of the way, then connects to the exposed ice cap, like so. And you can see that even with a full Dasani bottle in here, the Dasani bottle can be pushed down so that it exposes a small amount of storage up top. Then the tube is routed underneath the tweed shroud along the shoulder strap, and the bite valve comes out the front. The bite valve can be tucked in the top if you would like it out of the way, or it can be left exposed. Now, if you would like to carry outerwear or a light jacket or a pullover while you're using the rear bottle bag for hydration, simply roll up your piece of outerwear, and this is what the elastic keepers are for. And that is how to use the rear bottle bag on the EDC Travel Sling.